Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who's always looking for that perfect multitasker to speed up your routine without compromising on quality, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to be a one-stop solution for your cheeks, eyes, and lips. The Mineral Fusion 3-in-1 Color Stick in Terra Cotta. This compact, all-in-one color stick claims to add instant color and a subtle shimmer to your complexion, whether you're at home or on the go. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what this product actually is. The Mineral Fusion Color Stick is designed for versatility, a product that you can use on your eyes, cheeks, and lips, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. The Terra Cotta shade is a beautiful, warm tone that works well for most skin tones, offering a soft glow without being too overpowering. When it comes to the formula, this product is a standout for its purity. Free from gluten, parabens, artificial colors, fragrances, and talc, it's a hypoallergenic option that's sensitive skin friendly. As someone who appreciates clean beauty, these ingredients are a huge plus for me, especially when I'm looking for something that won't irritate or clog pores. It's also cruelty-free, which is always a bonus. Now, on to the real-world testing. I was honestly impressed with how easy it was to incorporate this into my beauty routine. You simply twist up the stick, apply it directly onto your cheeks, eyes, and lips, and blend with your fingertips. No brush needed, making it perfect for travel or those busy mornings when you need a quick yet flawless finish. The texture is smooth and creamy, blending effortlessly into the skin without any harsh lines, which I really appreciate. In terms of performance, I wore it for a full day. It stayed put for several hours, providing a nice wash of color that didn't fade or look blotchy as the day went on. The subtle shimmer it imparts adds a fresh, radiant look, especially under natural light, but it doesn't feel overly glittery or heavy on the skin. However, I did notice a couple of minor drawbacks. For one, while the color is beautiful, it's not as pigmented as I had hoped, especially on the lips. You may need to build it up a bit for more intensity. Also, if you have oily skin, you may find that it requires a quick touch-up during the day to keep that fresh glow intact. So what are the pros and cons? Pros: multi-use product that saves time in your routine. Smooth, blendable texture that doesn't feel heavy or greasy. Free from harsh chemicals and irritants, great for sensitive skin. Portable and convenient, perfect for quick touch-ups on the go. Cons: lighter pigmentation on the lips, requiring multiple layers for more color. May need to be touched up throughout the day, especially if you have oily skin. Now let's talk value for money. At 0.18 ounces, the price point seems reasonable for a product that combines 3 makeup products in one. If you're someone who likes the idea of minimalism or just hates carrying multiple products, this could be a great addition to your collection. However, if you're looking for a highly pigmented product for intense color payoff, you may want to look elsewhere. When compared to other multi-use products on the market, Mineral Fusion stands out for its clean formula. Many similar products contain fragrances, artificial colors, or parabens. So if you're after a product that checks those purity boxes, it's definitely a great choice. There are other brands in the same price range, but few can boast such a clean ingredient list. As for the build quality, the packaging is lightweight and travel-friendly, though not overly luxurious. It's durable for everyday use, but I wouldn't expect it to withstand extreme conditions like being tossed in the bottom of a bag with keys and change. The stick itself twists up and down smoothly without any issues. In terms of longevity, I found the product to last well throughout the day, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of product. If you're someone who needs long-lasting coverage, be prepared for a couple of touch-ups throughout the day. Now, if you're after a cheaper alternative, I'd recommend checking out other stick blushes and multi-use products from brands like ELF or Revlon. These options also offer good color payoff and versatility, though they might not have the same clean ingredients as Mineral Fusion. So does the Mineral Fusion 3-in-1 Color Stick live up to the hype? If you value a multi-use, clean formula and don't mind a more subtle finish, then yes, it's a solid pick. It's perfect for busy mornings, travel, or anyone who loves the idea of simplifying their makeup routine while still looking put together. However, if you're looking for intense pigmentation or longer lasting wear, it might not be the best option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried the Mineral Fusion 3-in-1 Color Stick. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.